In the tutorial before, I talked about the basic word order of statements. That is S, P, possibly O, and maybe even another O. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, please check out this video link on the top right here. Now we will go back to our sentence, John throws the ball to Tim. We know that sentence now. But what if that's not enough? What if I need to talk about place and time? So that is behind the house every day. Then I have a reference of place, behind the house, and a reference of time, every day. And this is generally how this can work, both at the end and place before time. But, big but in the air, you can also go like this, that the time phrase is at the very beginning. That works just as nice. Then you have this formula, you could say. So time phrase either at the very end or at the very beginning. And that's it. So adverbials of time, very beginning or very end. Adverbials of place at the end, but before adverbials of time. So remember that and you'll be fine.